Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. So, LeetCode Problem 2652. The problem is we have been given an input where n equals 7 and we have to find the output. So, output is basically sum of all the integers in the range from 1 to n. So, n is 7 here. Then we have to find all the numbers which are divisible by either 3, 5 or 7. So, in this case, 3, 5, 6 and 7, these four are the numbers which are divisible by any of these numbers, which is 3, 5, 7. So we take those numbers and we add it. That's it. That's the whole problem. So to start with, it's a really easy problem. So I'll just use a for loop to loop through it. So I'll say for let I equals 0, I should be less than equals to n because I want to go till n and I plus plus. After that, what I want to do is I want to use the if condition. So I want to say if my basically I, right? So if I percent, so I'll use the percent operator to see if it's divisible by n or not, if it's divisible by those numbers or not, which is 3, 5 or 7. So I'll say if I percent 3 equals 0 or sign is here, or if I percent 5 equals 0 or if I percent 7 equals to 0. If any of this condition is true, basically, then I want to do a sum. So for that I'll also declare a variable called sum and I'll declare it as 0, initialize it at 0, and now I'll say that sum should be equals to sum plus I, like that I want to add it to this sum. And once all of this is done, then I just want to return my sum again, like this sum. And if I run it now, then I should get a running case. Yeah, and if I submit it, it should work as well. Yep, we got a 69 ms runtime and a good memory space as well. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.